Have you ever wondered how large-scale event venues manage to perfectly seat thousands of people for vastly different events, ensuring everyone has a great view and a clear path? It is a fascinating logistical puzzle, especially in a dynamic city like New York. At Barclays Center, seating charts are incredibly dynamic and flexible, designed to transform seamlessly for a wide range of events, from thrilling basketball games to electrifying concerts and intimate shows. This adaptability is crucial for maximizing both capacity and audience experience, making each event feel tailor-made for its setting. The why behind this remarkable adaptability lies in the center's innovative modular seating system. Imagine it as a giant puzzle where entire sections, risers, and even the stage itself can be added, removed, or rearranged. For basketball and hockey, the court or rink dictates a fixed perimeter for seating. However, for concerts, the stage can be placed at one end, in the center, or even in a corner, often requiring sections of seats to be removed or reconfigured entirely to create optimal sightlines and acoustics. This system also accounts for different capacities and pricing tiers. For example, a full arena concert might use a much larger seating footprint than a smaller, more intimate theatrical production, which might utilize only one half of the venue. Advanced three-dimensional mapping software helps event organizers visualize and implement these changes efficiently, ensuring safety and accessibility while optimizing for ticket sales. For you, the attendee, understanding this flexibility is key to securing the best possible experience. When purchasing tickets, always consult the specific event seating chart directly on the official ticketing platform or the Barclays Center website. These charts will clearly show the layout for that particular date and show, highlighting stage placement, court configuration, and any potential obstructed views. Many platforms also offer a virtual venue feature, allowing you to preview the view from your chosen seat before you buy. A key insider tip is to pay close attention to any notes on the seating chart regarding limited view or partial view seats, especially for concerts where stage setup can vary. These seats are often priced lower and can still offer a great experience if you know what to expect. Also, remember that seat numbering typically flows from the center out, so seats closer to the center of a section usually have lower numbers, which can be useful when comparing options. Ultimately, the sophisticated and adaptable seating charts at Barclays Center are all about giving you the best possible live event experience. By offering a custom layout for every show, they ensure comfort and excellent views, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in the excitement, whether you are cheering on your favorite team or singing along with a world-class performer.